Motley Crue. I love them.
I understand that you like them as a band, but that doesn't mean you have to go out and do everything just like them. Oh, God. Oh.
I don't.
Don't start with this attitude, young lady. I thought we were over this.
Wrong pronoun.
I've heard enough from you today. Now, what do you do when I thought you're supposed to be up getting ready for school?
It's a holiday.
Well, that doesn't mean anything. Stop eating that crap and take your lunch pail and have a nutritious lunch because it's good for you.
No, thank you.
Who's beeping?
Oh, score! I just got 17 new friend requests.
Huh, that's funny.
Your face is funny.
Must be the hormones at this age. That's all you hear is a bunch of insults. All aimed towards me. I don't understand why.
You know, I'm just gonna get dressed and just get out. Leave. Seriously.
Don't tell me what to
Seriously, just
do.
go.
You need to
Just
shut
leave.
up.
Go. Goodbye.
Why do you yell at me? Do I ever yell at you? I never yell at you. I don't know what your problem is. Oh, honey, you look nice. Let me take your picture.
I'm in my sweatpants and a sports bra. Why do you want to take my picture?
I like to have pictures. You should know that by now. And stop giving me attitude. I'm so sick of it. You will be grounded if you keep doing this.
Okay.
Now go stand over there. Let me take your picture. Why are you using your dad's feet? He's going to get all mad. What are you doing now?
Taking the thing out that you spent 4 hours making.
I